Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is a JFEGWO jump starter, an 8258 super jump starter. Super is better than standard, of course. Yeah, that's the most powerful jump starter I ever seen before. This is a jump starter with air compressor. This is the most powerful jump starter. Instantly start any 12-volt vehicle, from trucks to sport cars. It supports up to 16 liter of gasoline and 14 liter diesel engines. And we have ultimate safety, of course. The advanced protection circuit ensures a safety for us and our devices. With 48 months of standby time and 1000 recharge cycles. The built-in 300 psi air compressor inflates large tires at only 45 liters per minute. This is getting us back on the road in just a minute. And 65-watt fast charging for laptops, iPads, iPhones, and more. We charge up to 4 devices simultaneously with a maximum output of 230 watt. And we have a 3.87 inches smart display screen. Easy operation with clear instructions. It's compact and convenient. Includes a tool case kit and a lot of possibilities. We charge that item for 6 hours before the first use. Then we recharge it every 3 months without use. We do not use the item while it is charging. We do not jump start if the power in the unit is less than 25% to ensure strong jump. We do not cause any short circuits. We do not touch two battery clamps together. We do not hold or bump the inflation air hose when we run the air compressor. We do not start a vehicle more than 5 times non-stop. If the car won't start, we remove the battery clamps and make sure that the power left in the unit is more than 50%. And we try it again. We do not put the item on or near flammable objects. We do not use it in the near water. We do not disassemble or try to repair the product without professional instruction. It will void the warranty and may cause accidents. And we do not use until if we are under age 18. We do not use the air compressor on large trucks or heavy equipment. We do not worry if the unit stops running during the tire inflation, because its temperature protection control automatically turns it off when it gets too hot and restart it when it's cooled down. It will run until it has reached preset tire pressure. So, how we can use this? The LED power screen gives us information. We press once on the power button, we check the power indicator. Okay, we press the power button to check the power level. The screen will turn off automatically in 2.5 minutes. Then we can should recharge the unit immediately when the display flashes 25%. We can't turn the unit on when it has run out of power. The LED power screen changes 25% with each step and show it then to us. 100% super nice. 25 flashing, not so good. When we receive the unit, its power may be less than 50%. We should full charge it before used. The total charging time is 4 to 6 hours. The item can prevent overcharging, so it will not damage the battery even if it charged for a long time. We do not charge other devices while the product is charging. And when charging the unit, IN will flash on the screen. Even if the screen shows a 100% charge, we keep charging the item until EN stops flashing, which means it is full charged. And we can make it USB charging ports. The 2 USB ports can charge all kinds of 5-volt USB devices such as smartphone, Bluetooth devices, and more. The 2.1 ampere USB port can charge faster, of course. And we have LED lights. Long press the power button to turn on the lights. We press the button on at a time to select the strobe mode and SOS mode or turn it off the lights. This is possible with the star button, for example, of course, yeah. We're using this as an air hose. The unit comes with an air hose extender. We can use it when the tire valve steams is too far from the ground. So we can now screw the extension hose in the original hose. We attach the other end to the tire valve stem, and then we press down the lever to fix the hose into the tire. The screen will auto shut off after 2.5 minutes. The pressure display is accurate to +1, -1 psi. The unit comes with 4 nozzle attachments for different inflatable parts. The needle is for balls, short cone, long cone adapters for kayak or swimming inflatables, and the metal adapter fits the for bike tires. The item's auto memory function memories the last tire pressure setting used. To prevent overheating, the unit will turn off automatically. And then we can go out and make a jump start with that device. Or we can go out to inflate our tires with that device. It's all possible. Because we have here all what we need for a good jump start for nearly all kind of cars, trucks, boats, lawnmowers, bicycles, or something else on the market. It's easy to jumpstart. We make sure the power unit is more than 50%. We plug the cable to the unit's jump port on the left. We clip the clamp to the battery terminals with plus and minus. Plus is red, minus is black. We make sure they don't touch each other. Then we go and start the car. Once started, we remove the cable from the unit. Then we remove the clamps from the battery. We should wait more than 5 minutes. To start driving our vehicle again, and we should, if it does not work at the first, we should wait 1 minute between multiple starts, okay, and then we can go and have fun with it. It's really cool and easy with that jump starter here. That it is the JFEGWO 8,250 ampere super jump starter. It comes with a lithium-ion battery, 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere, 20 volt 3.25 ampere, 65 watt USB in and output. It is for cars, for pickup trucks, for lawnmower, for tractors. The battery capacity 3,200 mAh. The air compressor makes 300 psi switch on and off, 10.3 bar that is. The peak output current is 8,250 amperes. The DC input is 50 watt 2 ampere. And we have all what we need. A good box, an extension tube for a nozzle in one, a car charger cable, 30 watt fast home charger, and a jump cable. It is round about 2 kilograms. These are 4.41 pounds. And the dimensions of the packs is 46 to 41 to 32 centimeters. These are 70.7 inches to 12.2 inches to 16.14 inches. That it is. The JFEGWO 8250 a super jump starter with air compressor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.